Now, sources tell us that the agency is examining the benefits allegedly received by CMRL during the tenure of the left government. And ED suspects that the alleged payments to Veena Vijayan were made in return for undue favors. Arpita, what are the details?
Well, Pratibha, yesterday, second time Veena Vijayan was summoned by ED in the CMRL Exalogic case. About 10 hours of questioning, and what we are able to know is that sources have told us that ED is not very happy with the questioning that had taken place yesterday as well. In fact, they had got documents from SFIO, and after that, they had questioned Veena Vijayan. Now, sources are telling us that ED is suspecting that Exalogic company, which is Veena Vijayan's company, got money from CMRL, and instead of that, the state government, the LDF government in the first tenure had given services or had given some favors to CMRL companies, what the sources are telling us, and that is why ED will now be probing if there are any financial transactions that had happened between the state government, that is the first LDF government, and CMRL case. In fact, sources have also told us that ED is not very happy with what Veena Vijayan has given the statement. The documents and her statement are not very up to the, it is not matching, and that is why likely she will be summoned for the third time. And as far as the government is concerned, ED sources have told us that clearly it looks like state government's involvement was there, because all these while they were trying to see what were the services rendered by Exalogic, because of which they had got money from CMRL. But now the sources are telling it is the state government who had given favors to CMRL, because of which CMRL had given money to Exalogic company, which is Veena Vijayan's, then Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's daughter.
Okay, all right. Arpita, thank you for getting us all the updates.